Linking your bank account to ScreenPal is a straightforward process that allows you to manage your transactions easily. Follow these steps to complete the linking process. Step 1. Access your ScreenPal account. Log into your ScreenPal account using your credentials. If you do not have an account, you will need to create one before proceeding. Step 2. Navigate to Payment Settings. Once logged in, locate the Settings or Account Management section. Look for an option labeled Payment Settings or Bank Account Linking to begin the process. Step 3. Enter bank account information. In the Payment Settings, you will find a form to enter your bank account details. Provide the required information, including your bank name, account number, and routing number. Step 4. Verify your bank account. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the SROC.com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. Step 5. Save changes. Once your bank account is verified, make sure to save any changes made in the payment settings. You should receive a confirmation message indicating that your bank account is now linked. By following these steps, you can successfully link your bank account to ScreenPal. This will streamline your payment processes and enhance your overall experience with the platform.